And it works. Great. Alright, so hopefully the quality's okay. Feel free to let me know in chat. Otherwise, I'm just going to carry on, assuming everything is a-okay. Everything that is, except for my ability to play this game. It should be quite clear. I'm dying a number of times. Ah, I didn't catch on fire. I was kind of expecting I would catch on fire. Oh, now I'm on fire. And into the water I go. I love those sound effects. Last time I played this... Oh, I've got a slide! That's amazing. Oh, what happened there? I picked up some bizarre... Am I supposed to be able to run that fast? Oh, well, I guess I'm in this screen now. Stand here. Alright. Oh, and left click on the fire. I don't just stand there forever. Alright, I'm burning stuff now. This is what I do. What's that glowing effect? That's gotta be you. I don't remember that last time either. Aha! Wood burns. Ah. And the fire propagates to wood. What are the chances? I guess I'm running through that. Ow. Ooh. This is new. New tutorial. Okay. Alright, so... Hi Stevie. Thanks, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty educational. You'll also notice that when you sprint in real life, that a big blue circle of sound appears around you. That's a thing that happens too. Sprinting or landing on grass is always silent. Okay. Tested that out. It certainly is silent. Alright, so running. She knows I'm there now. Enemies will chase and kill you if they see you. Hold shift to sprint and outrun them. Ah, she didn't see me. I got away with it. I presume the stream quality is okay. I don't actually know. It seemed to be alright. I can see I've got some frames dropped. Not sure if there's a lot I can do about it, but... Alright, here I go. I'm gonna sneak past. I wonder if the locket stealing is implemented yet. Press E to locket steal. No. Hello there, Mambutinizwa. And Jackablade. Welcome to my stream of Dan's game. Enemies are afraid of fire. If panicking, they won't attack you. Well, I guess that makes sense. Run! Dead guard. Some enemies only fire arrows. Time your jumps to get past. I'm gonna die so much here. Alright, let's see if I can dodge one of his arrows. Whoa! Jesus! Oh god! What do you mean time your jumps? You need the reflexes of a cat to do that. That is insane. Let's retry this screen. That is literally impossible. Oh god! I'm just taunting him now. No, he can't see me anymore. Cannot see you through smoke. Okay, so he can hear me, that's fine. He was not happy about that. If you get too hot, you'll catch on fire. You will have a short time to live. It can be useful. There we go. Capture and throw water. Lovely. W climb up, S climb down, space jump off. That makes sense. Bit of a weird. Oh, okay, if I just keep holding up, that's going to do that. Cool, cool, cool. Do I need a vine there? I guess not. I guess it just looks cool. The animations have certainly had an upgrade since the last time I played. Everything looks cool. Alright, water. I wonder if I can drown. I probably can. I can't get that fire. It's fine, I'll sneak past her. What's this? Is that a save point? I guess it's a save point. Sneaking, sneaking. Oh, did my splash. She can see me. She's not going to chase me. That's cool. I think fire is going to be pretty much necessary here because I know what I'm going to do. It's kind of hilarious. I'm going to set myself on fire. Go! Except now I don't. Am I dead? I'm dead. Here's a pro tip for all you noobs out there. Don't set things on fire when you don't want to walk into yourself. Run, run, run. I'm dead, I'm so dead. Oh god, I'm so broken. Ah! Quick, 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 quick! Oh yes! I can't have been on very much health then. And now you're invisible in the darkness and in grass. Does he still hear me? Ooh. I can steal his torch fire. Could be handy. Oh, what's happened? Oh, okay. It's fine. Thought the game had crashed. the sound just cut out between the screen transitions. Oh, look at the light animation. Little flickering candle or something there. Ah! Oh. In water it's cool. Awesome. Oh no! He saw me! What's that about? Is that because I'm holding water? Dan, can I be seen because I'm holding water? That doesn't make any sense. Is there some kind of bioluminescent sea creature living in that water? Some small krill, perhaps? I would expect, obviously, that I can be seen with fire, but yeah. Holding water, I don't buy it. Alright, let's try this again. So he can't see me, I'm standing right there. What if I just pick up some water here? Oh, he's going for a walk. Alright, well. Yeah, so it's definitely that. Oh! What the hell did I just do? I have no idea what happened. Did I just... What the hell's going on? I think I've just frozen the water with water. I'm not sure that makes any sense. Dan, I keep breaking your game. R to retry? Yes. Really good. Alright, so let's try that maybe in view. Can I? Alright, I can definitely grab fire. What about? Oh, not quite. Okay. So I have that now. If I throw water into water, it creates ice. Okay. It's a little bit strange. Oh, if I fall, he's gonna hear me. Alright, so he's gonna kill me. Oh! No, I fell through the ice. Obviously the ice I'm making is what? And I'm pretty sure I've trapped myself under the ice. Screaming. Can't move at all. Freezing. Can't hear my call. I am dying to live. Cry out. I'm trapped under ice. Classic Metallica. Alright, let's retry this again. I think you froze yourself. Yes, yes, I did freeze myself. Mr. Jackablade, the timing of that comment, I suspect that the chat, or at least the stream, is quite a bit behind. Is the quality still okay? I've got a lot of dropped frames. And I got a lot of frames successfully encoded by the look of things too, so... Ooh! investigate. Oops! No, not him! Whew. Now they're all in the dark. And will I make sound? If I fall, oh, they heard me. I don't think they can see me. Good. Okay, so that guy. I think I'm pretty safe. There's a save point over there, which may be quite useful. Ah ha ha! Come on, guard. Get your butt over here. Ah ha ha! It looks like that's about as far as my... Oh, don't tell me she's gonna relight the torch. Ah, damn it! Here I thought I was just gonna sneak past. Like a sneak thief. Get up, get up! Go, 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 go. No, 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 get up! Why aren't you climbing up? What's going on? But they can't see me. Oh, that was awful. Oh, I should have gathered some more. Oh no, they would have seen me if I'd done that. Alright, so... I'm gonna set this bridge on fire. Not intentionally, I don't want to set the bridge on fire. I know that's what's gonna happen. Oh wait. Doesn't look like I have a choice. To get rid of it to get down to the next save. I think this is going rather well. Come on, how's that guard not dead? Oh no, what have I done? Set everything on fire. Oh Jesus. No! Oh, it looks like I'm okay. Gotta wait for this. Wait for it. Set things on fire. Setting more things on fire. Not work so well. Ah, is that hurting me? Okay, cool. Calm down. Oh. What did... Oh, there's a gap. Okay. Here I am wondering why. Grab fire when I'm... Oh no, they're gonna run down here, aren't they? Or are they? They're pretty panicked, I might be able to run fast. Oh! He's chasing me! Alright. So, Wildfire tutorial done. I guess I am... I don't actually know if that's it. Click mouse button to start. I haven't tried this yet. That's not what I wanted to do, is it? Oh no, now I've quit the game. Alright, let's try this again. Relax, people, I'm a professional. Oh, I skip tutorial. Oh no, so that was the end of the tutorial. I actually played through the entire thing. I presume. So I seem to recognize this place. Yeah, I'm still not sure about that one. Ah, dead. Running, running, running. Oh, you can still run past them before they get their swords out. Yeah, so I've done all this already. Too quick for you. This guy might be a challenge. Oh, goodness me! Oh, that was very close. Oh no! Run, 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 run! Run! Oh, you son of a... I was doing so well. Oh! Oh, that was disappointing. I got past him last time. Oh, goodness! Oh! Yeah. Claptrap. No, clap clap. Learn to read. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be I'm gonna be able to speedrun this. Ah, okay. Ooh! Ah! Ah! Oh no! Damn it! So close. I feel like I'm nearly there. It just doesn't... Oh, kind of stuck on the vine. I didn't mean to catch that. Well, this is not a very good speed run, is it? Oh! Bastard! Shot me off the vine. Alright, retry. I can do this! Ah! No, I can't do this. It's really weird, like sometimes I get past him and he sort of shoots up into the air. Ah! Other times, like he'll just shoot me in the back of the head.